Hey guys, this is Awesome Gaming, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to use OBS Studio. So, this video is for Ace because he was asking me that, awesome, I need to know how you record your screen. So I thought, yeah, sure, why not? So this is the setup that I have right now when I'm gaming on my channel, but I'll teach you how to make one from scratch. So all you do in scenes, press plus to create a new scene. You can name it whatever you want. So it'll start black, like this. But then if you press plus in sources, plus, it should say display capture. This will display your screen. Okay, then it'll give you this. You can change the size, change what display you want. And here it is. You can move it around. You can resize it. And, that kind of stuff. So that's how you capture your screen. But see right now, there's no microphone here. Now I set this on mute because I find that it doesn't really help, but I don't really know. So audio input capture. Okay? Now I'm going to be using my microphone from my headset. And it might show something different for you. But there might be 4 or 5 here. I don't know, but okay. And see right here, as I'm talking, it goes up in green, then maybe in yellow. Then if I talk really loud, it goes up into red. Now, what I found helpful is that when you are gaming, right, you don't want the desktop audio to be too loud, or else it'll cover over your game. So you want it to be at the middle. You don't want your voice to be too loud either, so I would say right there. That's kind of like the perfect mix for me. Now, if you go into settings, there's some settings right there, but then you can also change the file that it goes to. So if we go to settings, again, my bad, and then you can browse through all the files that you want the captures to go to. So yeah, you can set some hotkeys, things like that. And then to start recording, you just press start recording. Hey guys, this is Awesome Gaming. This is a test recording. Then you press stop recording. And then, if I go to my files, and I go to this, OBS captures, right here. Hey guys, this is Awesome Gaming. This is a test recording. See, it worked. So, yeah. Ace, if you're watching this, consider this done. I'm Awesome Gaming, and I'll see you next time.